Lèse-majesté in Thailand is a crime according to Section 112 of the Thai Criminal Code. It is illegal to defame, insult, or threaten the king, queen, heir apparent, heir presumptive, or regent. Modern Thai lèse-majesté law has been on the statute books since 1908. Thailand is the only constitutional monarchy to have strengthened its lèse-majesté law since World War II, with penalties ranging from 3 to 15 years imprisonment for each count. It has been described as the world's harshest lèse-majesté law, and possibly the strictest criminal defamation law anywhere. Its enforcement has been in the interest of the palace. 134 The law has criminalized acts of insult since 1957. There is substantial room for interpretation, which causes controversy. Broad interpretation of the law reflects the inviolable status of the king, resembling feudal or absolute monarchs. Thailand's Supreme Court decided the law also applies to prior monarchs. Criticism of any Privy Council member has raised the question whether lèse-majesté applies by association, even attempting to commit lèse-majesté, making sarcastic comments about the king's pet, and failure to rebuke an offense have been prosecuted as lèse-majesté. Anyone can file a lèse-majesté complaint, and the police formally investigate all of them. Details of the charges are rarely made public. A Section 112 defendant meets with official obstruction throughout the case. There are months-long pre-trial detentions, and courts routinely deny bail to those charged. The United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention determined that the pre-trial detention of an alleged lèse-majesté offender violated international human rights law. The courts seem not to recognize the principle of granting defendants the benefit of the doubt. Judges have said accusers did not have to prove the factuality of the alleged lèse-majesté material, but only claim it is defamatory. Pleading guilty then asking for a royal pardon is seen as the quickest route to freedom for any accused. Since a 1976 coup makers have regularly cited a surge of alleged lèse-majesté charges as a reason for overthrowing elected governments. This was cited as one of the major reasons for the 2006 coup and that of 2014. In 2006 and 2007, there were notable changes in the trend. Those targeted by lèse-majesté complaints included more average citizens who were given longer jail sentences. Human rights groups condemned its use as a political weapon and a means to restrict freedom. The 2014 junta government granted authority to army courts to prosecute lèse-majesté, which has usually resulted in secret trials and harsh sentences. Prior to the law's revival in 2020, for 3 years the Thai government often invoked other laws, such as the Computer Crimes Act and sedition laws, to deal with perceived damages and insults to the monarchy. The longest recorded sentence was in 2021 is to 87 years imprisonment, reduced to 43 years because the defendant pleaded guilty. In the feudal era, monarchs, royal officials, royal symbols, and wrongdoings in the palace were protected from many kinds of violation. 23 to 24 crimes against royal symbols greatly affected the social structure of the Sakdina era. 24 to 5 The oldest version of lèse-majesté law was in the modern defamation law of 1900, enacted to protect the monarch's reputation. 3 It made acts against the king acts against the state. 3 The Siamese Criminal Code of 1908 separated the king and the state. It penalized persons who displayed malice or defamed the king, the queen consort, the heir apparent, or the regent. Anyone doing so was subject to imprisonment not exceeding 7 years or fines of not more than 5,000 baht, or both. 3 Other sections provided protection from displays of malice or defamation of the princes or princesses from whichever reign. 3 Or from those who create disloyalty, or insult the king, and cause the people to transgress the royal laws. 3 to 4 As the print media was becoming widespread, the criminal code was strengthened in 1928 to penalize crimes of advocates or teachers of any political or economic doctrine or system intended or calculated to bring into hatred or contempt the sovereign. 4 Lèse-majesté law did not change significantly after the 1932 Siamese Revolution. because the Khanate compromised and added the inviolable status of the king in the constitution continues to the present day. 28. However, the law included an exclusion clause for an expression of good faith, or a critical and unbiased comment on governmental or administrative acts. 4. During that time, discussion about the monarchy was still free. This allowed discussion over whether Thailand be a constitutional monarchy in 1949. And a 1956 lecture by a legal scholar which said the king should not express an opinion on economic, political and social problems with no countersign. 30. On the 1st of January 1957, the Criminal Code of 1956 came into force. 18. Since then, lèse majesté forbade